I think it's, like I mentioned, it's overlooked and not talked about enough. I think it's the most critical part of the syndication, and you really got to be able to manage the property manager, essentially, is what you're doing. And also making sure that you're on track. So tracking your KPIs and making sure you're on track to hit your pro forma numbers. And if you're not, then what do you need to change to get there? And doing that as close to real time as possible. Leading KPIs are very important. I don't think a lot of people look at that versus lagging. Looking at your monthly financials, the middle of the following month, those are lagging numbers, right? That stuff already happened. There's nothing that you can really adjust to change that, right? It's the leading ones that you are the ones that are really going to make a difference. And that's how many leads did we get this week? Where did those leads come from? Which leases did we sign up? How many work orders got done today? How many work orders didn't? At this certain NOI to make sure that we hit our pro forma NOIs by this time. So really when you can start tracking that and paying attention to that, that to me is a game changer. And then you owe it to your investors to make sure that you do the best job possible when it comes to asset management. The way you're gonna execute your business plan and give those returns, it's all about executing the business plan, right? That's what asset management, like I said, managing the property manager, but also making sure that you actually hit your pro forma numbers and that you execute that business plan.